Every month end, HR goes through the same thing. Open Excel, open calculator, double check the EPF and the SOCSO calculation, calculate OT, aiding allowance, deduct PCB. So many things to handle. If you are currently dealing with all these repetitive payroll tasks, then you should have a look at this enterprise HR tools, SQL Payroll. It's a system specially designed for HR and payroll management. It is not only for the big company. As long as your business has an employee, this is something that can really help you. For example, when it comes to the salary calculation, you just need to set up the employee details once inside the system. Things like the basic salary, OT rate, allowance, and so on. After that, whenever it's a payroll time, the system will automatically calculate everything for you. No more manually calculate salary in Excel. As for statutory deduction like EPF, SOCSO, EIS and PCB, the system can handle them automatically too. Since it follows the latest rule from LHDN, KWSB and SOCSO, the calculations are more accurate and can help reduce human errors. If employee want to apply for leave, they can do it through the SQL e-leave using the phone. Once the manager approves the leave, it will automatically sync with the payroll system. You won't accidentally miss salary deduction on leave record anymore. One of the biggest advantages of the SQL Payroll is the bank Giro feature. The system supports electronic salary payment submission and allows company to process salary transfer with more than 25 banks in salary. Super convenient for HR, teams and business owner. So if you're still using Excel to manage payroll manually, maybe it's a time to consider switch to SQL Payroll and automating your HR management process. Find SQL Payroll, find T-Tech Solution.
Cari pos system, cari T-Tech Solution.